Today I'm going to show you how to caulk a bathtub. It's a nice brand new bathtub we just did. Reno, needs to be silicone. The idea is to use a really good silicone, don't cheap out. This is a translucent silicone made for kitchen bath. This stuff's hard to find at your big box stores. You're going to have to go to a supplier to get it, but I highly recommend it. It's translucent, so it's kind of like clear but a little bit cloudy. It's better than white because it makes less of a mess, and it still hides. Oh, making a mess here. Still hides any imperfections. Works really good on lighter colors. Darker colors, you probably want to stick with a clear. If this is an old bathtub, you want to clear off as much of that old silicone and get it really cleaned out. If it's new, just make sure that it's clean off all the loose grout. Make sure it's not wet. You want to cut the tip about the size you want the bead of caulking. You don't want to go too small because it's going to shrink. You don't want to go too big because you'll make a mess. So, not too much of a point. Make sure it's nice and cleaned off. So, there. Now the whole idea is to try to get it out of the tube as close as possible to where you want it and just touch it up a little bit with your finger. You don't want to get too much buildup in the corners. So I start a little bit away. Oops. Just like that. Again, you don't want to play with it too much. If it's really bad, just wipe it out. In order to wipe it out, I kind of wrap a rag around my knife and clean it up like that. Hopefully I don't have to do that. Again, don't start right in the corner. Start just a little bit away because it'll squish in. So you can see it comes out of the tube nice, and I'm just kind of cleaning it up. If it smears a little bit, clean it up with your knife. Just like that. Like that, she's all silicone. It's pretty easy. Try to get out of the tube the best you can. Go nice and quick so you have a nice even flow. Buy a really good caulking gun. Even a really good one's 15 bucks, not a big deal. Really good silicone, and it should be pretty easy. The caulking is, think of it like a sore pecker. You don't want to play with it too much, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.